analytics dashboard within your school admin Talking Points account is a powerful tool you can use to drive the use of Talking Points to support your school's family engagement goals. In the next few minutes, I'll share some best practices for monitoring and leveraging your data. Within the analytics section of your account, you have 3 tabs of data to review. We'll start here on the General tab, which is going to give you big picture themes for your school. Here are a few places to zoom in and best practices associated with each. The messages metric lets you know the total number of messages throughout your school from admins, teachers, and families. This is a great metric to set a goal around, to track year to year, and to share this number out with your teachers and families to celebrate how each person's contributions add up to big impact. The valid phone numbers and subscribed families sections help you understand the health of your account data. Ideally, both of these numbers are at 95% or higher. Downloadable reports here allow you or your front office staff to work with families to get updated phone numbers for your student information system. Context by platform helps you understand how your families are accessing Talking Points, through regular text or through the Talking Points for Families app. The app is free and optional and is a great fit for families who need access to some of the app's equity features, such as text-to-speech or speech-to-text. We typically see more families transition to the app the longer their school partners with Talking Points. The last section of the General tab gives you 3 graphs, one for school admins, teachers, and families. These graphs will let you know about the quantity of messages each type of person has sent, and you can adjust each graph to reflect the time period and cadence that's useful for you. In addition to thinking about the peaks and valleys and how they correspond to your school context, you'll also want to check for the difference between your direct messages, blue bars, and announcements, gold bars. True relationship building happens in those blue direct messages, so it's important to encourage those personal conversations for your teachers to be having. You'll also see this Show L Families box throughout the different graphs. Check it so that you can see not just the total number of messages sent, but the total number of messages sent or received to the families of your L students. A really great way to help you understand or illustrate how you're reaching your hardest to reach families. Back up at the top, we can go to this Teacher Engagement tab, which will show you messaging teacher by teacher. Again, here you can adjust the date range. Use this tab to review the teachers who are highly active on Talking Points and those who might need a little more support adopting. We recommend reaching out to your highly active teachers to gather testimonials or even have them share at an upcoming staff meeting about how they fit Talking Points into their daily routine and the impact that they've seen. The final tab, Family Engagement, will show you student by student and contact by contact how many messages each person has sent and received. This is a treasure trove of data for whoever on your admin team is responsible for family engagement, and it will allow you to make sure all families are being engaged. All of the graphs throughout Talking Points are downloadable too, and this one specifically you can download to an Excel file for further manipulation outside of Talking Points. We hope this brief overview gave you some ideas for leveraging your Talking Points analytics. Please feel free to reach out to Talking Points directly if you have any questions. Happy messaging.